Alright, good morning, Shadows. We are in, well, I stepped into a close, which is basically just a Scottish alleyway. Today we are doing two tours. We are doing the Old Town and the New Town, fingers crossed. So today's going to be kind of a busy day, and then tomorrow, super pumped, it's museum day, guys. You know how I love my museum days. So yeah, we'll get started here in a bit. Alright, good morning, Shadows. We are out and about today. Today is museum day, so we are starting with this beauty right here. Check it out. That is the Writers' Museum. It covers some of Scotland's greatest sons, Burns, Stevenson, and Scott. Though there are so many other literary giants that come from Scotland. J.M. Barrie, Arthur Conan Doyle, vast many others that have been inspired by it, including, we've discussed, J.K. Rowling. So we're gonna head in here, we're gonna see some stuff, and check this out, this is kind of cool too. As you go into the museum, you are literally walking in the words of artists. So let's check it out. Alright guys, so I have finished up the Writers' Museum. I walked over. I am now standing in front of the National Scotland Museum, or National Museum of Scotland. I always get those mixed up. So we're gonna go in. Once again, I don't know, you know, you may be able to take pictures, you may not, so we'll see. But the Writers' Museum is definitely worth it. I have gotten so much more inspiration. Like, I wanna go check out Burns and Stevenson, more of Stevenson. I've already read a lot of it. And so let's just continue this museum day and see what we can see. Alright guys, this one is actually separated into two, if I understand right. So one half is like world, and then one part is Scotland only. So we're gonna start with the world and work our way that way. Cool? Awesome, let's get started. Alright guys, so I am so museumed out. We got two done. The National Museum of Scotland is amazing, and you can spend hours and hours, but it is such a lot of stuff. My brain is fried. So the Museum of Edinburgh we will do tomorrow, and tomorrow we're going to roam around Newtown as well. So that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to head up, do some work, and relax, because my brain is seriously on overload.